Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at first ever made scale model of Moskvich 408 in 1/43 scale. And it's not made by Soviets, but by Dinky in France. Real scale car was made in Soviet Union from 1964 till 1975, when it was replaced by more modernized models that were made even up to 2003. This car was not only popular in USSR, but also in other countries as a cheap and robust vehicle. That is the reason why European die-cast manufacturer Dinky has decided to make model of Moskvich 408. Exactly this thing have given start to Soviet die-cast vehicle development and production in 1/43 scale. Unfortunately, French Dinky examples have been produced only for few years, from 1968 and up to 1971. For this reason, these models became a real rarity, and are a very respectable addition for any collector who is interested in Soviet car models. Somewhere in 2008, Chinese have made copies of Dinky Moskvich 408 for Atlas magazine series. They became as an alternative for those who couldn't find or allow himself a genuine one. Nowadays, even Chinese remakes are quite rare things. I have an Soviet example of Moskvich 412 model for comparison. Early Soviet-made Moskvich model is almost a copy of Dinky design, but with modified front and rear, to look more like modernized Moskvich 412. But after some years of production, more changes have been made, to get better overall quality, give additional details and simplify production. At the dawn of USSR, die-cast model producers started to more simplify their products, which clearly affected the quality in bad way. Most of the models that were made from early 90s to the end of production in 2012 have suffered from so-called zinc pest. That's why most of the remaining Soviet car die-cast models are from late 70s and 80s. But speaking about comparison, you can definitely see design similarities, even with more modernized example. Let's take a closer look at Dinky example details. Here is the Soviet example. Here we go, an excellent addition for collection, that contains Soviet-era made car models. A great piece of history, that will only grow in value. And of course, an example of superb quality, that should be taken into consideration for modern producers of car models. Write in comments, which country-made model you like most.